Welcome back to N Solutions. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. In this video, we'll introduce you to the basic concepts and applications of AI in a beginner-friendly way. So, let's get started. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the field of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines capable of mimicking human intelligence. At its core, AI aims to develop algorithms and systems that can learn from data, make decisions, and solve problems without explicit programming. Now, let's explore some common applications of AI that you may already be familiar with. Have you ever wondered how your smartphone recognizes faces in photos? That's AI at work. Image recognition is one of the most well-known AI applications. It enables computers to analyze and interpret visual data, allowing them to identify objects, recognize faces, and even classify images. Another popular application of AI is virtual assistants, like Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant. These smart helpers use natural language processing and machine learning to understand your voice commands and provide you with information, perform tasks, and even engage in conversations. Have you ever received personalized recommendations while shopping online or watching videos? AI-powered recommendation systems analyze your past behavior, preferences, and patterns to suggest products, movies, or music that you might like. They constantly learn and adapt to provide you with better suggestions over time. Now, let's talk about how AI learns. Machine learning is a subset of AI that focuses on algorithms and models that enable computers to learn from data. It involves training a computer system on a large dataset and allowing it to identify patterns and make predictions or decisions based on that data. This enables machines to improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed. Deep learning is a specialized area of machine learning inspired by the human brain's neural networks. It uses artificial neural networks with multiple layers to process complex data, such as images or speech. Deep learning has revolutionized many AI applications, including image recognition, natural language processing, and autonomous vehicles. The potential of AI is enormous and spans across various industries and sectors. In healthcare, AI is used for diagnosing diseases, analyzing medical images, and even predicting patient outcomes. It has the potential to improve medical research, personalized treatments, and overall patient care. AI is also making strides in the transportation sector. Self-driving cars, powered by AI algorithms, are becoming a reality, offering the promise of safer roads, reduced accidents, and increased efficiency in transportation systems. In finance, AI is used for fraud detection, algorithmic trading, and risk assessment. It can analyze vast amounts of data, detect anomalies, and make real-time decisions to enhance financial security and streamline processes. Artificial intelligence is an exciting and rapidly evolving field that holds tremendous potential for shaping our future. From image recognition to virtual assistants and healthcare to transportation, AI is transforming various aspects of our lives. Remember, this was just a brief introduction to AI. There's so much more to explore. So, stay curious, keep learning, and don't hesitate to dive deeper into the world of artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.